Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Instagram app. And once you're in here, tap on your profile at the bottom right, tap on it. And once done, go to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, gotta find the how you use Instagram section. And below that, we have here time management. Okay, so what you'll do is just tap on it. And here, as you can see, we now have sleep mode. So just tap on sleep mode and just make sure to enable or tap on this toggle to turn it on. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do next is just go ahead and customize the start time and the end time, the days. And then once that's done, just tap on save. All right, wait for it to load. And once this blue button right here grays out or untappable, well, that means sleep mode is now enabled. Now, sleep mode right here, or also known as quiet mode, mutes notification and can send an auto reply to DMs during a set time. All right, well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.